Navigating the world of personal finance can often seem complex, but it becomes more approachable when broken down into fundamental components. Understanding these basic elements is essential for effective financial planning and achieving long-term financial health. Read on to learn about the 4 pillars of personal finance, which provide a sturdy foundation for managing your financial life. What are the 4 pillars of personal finance? The 4 pillars of personal finance are budgeting, saving, investing, and protection. Each pillar plays a crucial role in building and maintaining your financial stability and growth. Here's a closer look at each. 1. Budgeting. Budgeting is the cornerstone of personal finance. It involves tracking your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Effective budgeting allows you to make informed decisions about your spending, ensuring you live within your means and can allocate funds towards savings and investments. Here are a few budgeting methods you can consider. The 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Zero-based budget. Every dollar of your income is assigned a specific purpose, ensuring no money is left unallocated. Envelope system. Cash is divided into envelopes for different spending categories, helping to curb overspending. Saving. Saving is about setting aside a portion of your income for future use. It's crucial for both short-term goals, like an emergency fund, and long-term objectives, like retirement. Savings act as a safety net, providing financial security and peace of mind. When shopping around for a savings account, consider the following. Interest rates. Look for accounts offering competitive interest rates to maximize your savings growth. Fees and terms. Be aware of any monthly fees, minimum balance requirements, or withdrawal restrictions. Online accessibility. Online banks often offer higher interest rates and lower fees than traditional banks. Investing. Investing is the process of using your money to earn more money. It involves putting your savings into assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate with the aim of generating higher returns over time. Investing is vital for wealth creation and overcoming the eroding effects of inflation on your savings. To get started with investing, begin by educating yourself about different investment options and their associated risks. Starting small is a wise approach. You could begin with a modest amount in low-cost index funds or use a robo-advisor to guide your initial steps. Additionally, diversification is key in investment strategies. By spreading your investments across various assets, you can effectively minimize risk and create a balanced portfolio. This approach helps in building your confidence as you navigate the investment world. Protection. Protection involves safeguarding your financial well-being against unforeseen events, such as emergencies, illnesses, or unexpected job loss. This critical pillar includes securing appropriate insurance policies and engaging in estate planning. To begin protecting your assets and income, start by assessing your insurance needs, such as health, life, and property insurance. Consult with financial advisors or insurance agents to find the best coverage for you. Additionally, consider speaking with an estate planner to ensure your assets are managed according to your wishes. By taking these steps, you not only ensure financial stability for yourself, but also secure peace of mind for your loved ones, even during challenging times. The 4 pillars of personal finance, budgeting, saving, investing, and protection, are fundamental to sound financial planning. By understanding and implementing these pillars, you can establish a strong financial foundation, enabling you to achieve your financial goals and secure your financial future. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.